understand what is a mutual fund and how does it work. Let's say you want to go from Mumbai to Goa. So to reach your destination, instead of driving yourself, you choose to hire a driver. And with the help of the driver, you reach your destination. Similarly, when you want to reach your financial goal, instead of investing yourself, you chose to go to a mutual fund who takes care of all your money and makes investment decisions like where it has to be invested and in what proportion. In short, mutual fund collects money from people like you and me, creating a pool of money. Then this pool of money is reinvested into different investment opportunities. Based upon your objective, the money can be invested into equity or into debt or into both equity and debt. So for managing your investments, fund managers charge a nominal fee as a management expense or expense ratio. Then the remaining profit is redistributed to all the investors in the proportion of their investments. Now just imagine if all your money is invested into a particular security and due to some factors the performance of that security goes down. Loss you will incur will be huge. So to manage these kind of losses, mutual fund invests your money in multiple securities. So when there is loss in one security, that loss might be compensated with profit from other security, thus diversifying your risk. Are you in doubt if mutual fund is a reliable investment or not? Well, you don't need to worry, as all mutual funds are regulated and registered with SEBI. But make sure you choose a good mutual fund, as there are many mutual funds available in the market and all the mutual funds are not the same. So if you are looking for long-term wealth creation, then mutual funds are one of the best option. Make sure you have a bank account and you get your KYC done and you are ready to invest in mutual funds. Are you still in doubt if mutual fund is the right investment for you to reach your financial goal? Then you can register for our 30-minute complimentary financial plan consultation. The link for it is just below this video in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you never miss any update of our upcoming videos on personal finance and investments. Meet you soon. Bye bye.